Hit. 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 Go up with him. Cover me if he starts firing. Okay. Mike. Deadhead. Just wanna. You see him peeking? Lay some fire down. I'm going.
We gotta make sure nobody gets them in 2 minutes.
Keep your eyes over there. Again, if anybody starts firing on me, shoot that direction. I'm sure Gordon and them got him already.
I hope so.
Got him
Hit though.
held down.
You wanna move up?
I'm sure there's one over there.
Hey, hey, hey. We're moving up center path in the compound.
Okay, I'm running up there. Stay down, get down. Yeah.
Anthony's gonna cover him. How many?
I got one over there. Yep, get down. You shoot from right over there. On the other side, the opening, he's in there. We should go that way.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Hey.
Oh, that hurt me. Yeah, I fucking seen that one. Yeah, there's a lot more than one.
Okay.
You wanna go around to the right side, or is it blocked all the way?
We got two guys down there. As far as I'm concerned, they're not hit. We can't leave him alone.
No, we can't.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's your last respawn, eh? Okay. Yeah. They're dead. They're dead. Hey. Move up. Move up. Get down. Get down. You got eyes on him? I'm about to get hit. Lay him down, guys. Lay him down. Reloading. Hit! Oh! Right in the neck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Dead man walking. Dead man walking.